Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on the XY guys. What was I expecting on the XY? Before I do today's analysis guys, I'm going to do a quick recap on the XY. So if you watched my previous analysis, I said I was predicting the XY to either push to the upside or the downside, and I said that if you push to the downside on the XY, I will want some sort of like an M pattern. We can see M pattern, which is also known as the double top, and we know that is a reversal chart pattern. So I said I'm looking for some sort of something like that around this area right here, around this zone right here. We can see me drawing it there, that before we continue to push to the downside. And if you see more momentum of down, then my TP will be 104.437. And I also said that for us to actually buy on the XY, we will at least let it break this zone right here, right? Have a break of structure, possibly give us a retest of a higher low for us to know that we are going to continue to push to the upside and that it is not a fake out. So we can see that we didn't push to the upside, we were just pushing to the downside, and it gave us, it predicted the way I thought it would give us, like the double top like I said, and we can see that we are pushing to the downside on the XY. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to my bigger time frame and to seeing it pushing more to the downside, right? I'm just going to delete this one right here, right? I'm still going to leave majority of it because I still see it continue to push to the downside, but I just want to see the overall perspective of the market, just like how I like to do it. If you've been watching my analysis, you know that I like to do top-down analysis. So I'm on my, let's see, you see that we are still on a downtrend, right? So go to my daily time frame. So this is my 4-hour time frame right now. We can see that we are still seeing a momentum of sell, right? Certainly we are still seeing that. So I'm expecting some sort of like a correction, a continuation, right? I might continue to push the upside to at least get to this trend line or possible target right here, 105.247. That is still my overall thoughts, right? But we have to be patient to see how the market's gonna react. So let's go to much smaller time frame. Go to my 2-hour time frame. I can draw my fib right here. We know to draw fib we need point A to point B right here. Let's go to my 1-hour time frame. As you can see that we are currently rejecting around my negative 27% fib level, right? So let's see how the market is going to play out, because we might get to my 104.437 to retest the trend line, retest of trend line. Or we might not get there right away, so we should know that we don't have to actually retest immediately. We can always retest anytime because no one can predict the market, right? But we just have to be open-minded to see. And you know that I like to use my fib to trade. So now we can see that we are currently around my 27% fib level, my negative 27% fib level. And you know, if you've been watching my analysis, that those are like a reversal zone slash area, right? If we get to more smaller time frame, we can see that as soon as we get to my negative 27% fib level, we will retrace a little bit, push to the upside to around this level right here, which is 104.740. We run around right here to retest, right? And we can see That was the last break of structure we had, right? So come up here to retest. Then I'm seeing a potential push to the downside. So as of right now, this would be my target right now on the XY 104.6002. So that would be my right now, right? And if you still continue to see momentum of sell, then certainly right here would be my TP2. You can see. So let me adjust this one right here. We can see right around here would be 434. So that would be my TP2 if we still have momentum. Let's go to my 30-minute and see, because we can see that we're having this momentum right here, but we can revise that more in a smaller time frame. You can see that it's giving us this momentum right here, right? And there is no imbalance for us to feel. So I just think we're just gonna continue to thank to the downside. So right now I'm gonna do this from here to here will be my first target, right? And if you still see more momentum of sell, then certainly right here will be my second target on the XY, guys. So that is my quick thoughts on the XY as of right now, guys. And we know anything can happen, so just be open-minded, because if you've been watching my analysis, you know my negative 61.8% is my fib level. So there's a possibility that we might actually get here, then start retracing to the upside, right? Or like I said, if we get to this roof right here, let's be patient to see how the market is going to react. And if we still see more momentum of sell, then certainly we are going to take it to 104.434 for retest, right? We can see that this candlestick right here broke the structure right here, and it hasn't retested yet. I broke the structure, which is right around here. The structure was the last high we had before breaking it with this engulfing candle right here, right? And we also need like a retest of this trend line as well, retest of trend line. So when we get to this level, we'll determine our next move, right? So either we get here, right, retest the trend line to continue to push the upside, or retest it, or come to this trend line right here, break the trend line, retest, push down a little bit, come to around this level right here to break the structure as well, for us to know that we still continue to have momentum to push to the downside. So maybe let's adjust this one right here to maybe a possible third touch, maybe around here. Then how candlestick react around this area will determine if you're going to push to the upside or retest, or sorry, break the trend line, retest the trend line, and possibly give you guys a target right around here. But I don't like predicting way too much to the future, so let's just take it one step at a time, right? When we get here, let's see how the market plays. If we still see momentum of sell, let's see this next level right here, and how would the price action around that area will determine our next move on the XY, guys. So this is my quick thoughts on the XY, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.